Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Janet Navarro Martin. I am from Philippines. I am 43 years old. I'm married with 4 kids. I have two boys and 2 girls. I have work experience in here in Hong Kong in 3 years and 8 months. I take care of uh, 2 kids, my employees. It's a 10 years old boy, 7 years old boys. And I cooking, I iron, I cleaning, and almost all around helper. And I have experience also in Kuwait. In 2 years, I taking care of 7 years old triplet and 4 years old boys. All is boy. And I also all around helper, cooking, iron, cleaning, and take care of kids, my employees. And also I have work experience in Saudi in 2 years. I take care of my employer kids, for 2 years old boys and newborn baby. And also I all around helper in Saudi, cooking, iron, cleaning, take care of kids, my employees. And also I have work experience in Dubai, also 2 years. I take care of a newborn baby, and also I all around helper, cooking, iron, cleaning, take care of my employees baby. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, thank you very much for opportunity to give my job. I do my best for for your hire me. I take care of your children or kids for my own children. And thank you very much for opportunity to hire me, ma'am, sir. Thank you very much. God bless.